Alright, today I'm going to work on the mountain man and try to get his clothing going. I just hope I got this solid enough that he won't be falling over. Alright, I'm going to start out on the leggings and get the legs all sculpted first. Now the mountain man would not want to go out in the wilderness wearing a Crow Indian shirt or a Blackfoot shirt or a Lakota shirt with beadwork on it, because if he's traveling in country where the enemy of those tribes are, they will take it as him being an ally with that tribe, and they will attack him. So they would wear something more like a white man's type of clothing. And since a lot of these guys came from the back east, a lot of them would wear clothing that was popular in the East Coast, or up in the eastern Midwest and places like that. Now, leather leggings would have a pucker where the knee is because of his kneeling down or and stuff like that, where he bends his legs. If the legging is wet, it will stretch the leather, and over time, where the knees are would be bigger than on normal clothes because of the stretching of the leather. Right now you got a better view of the leg than I do. Okay, my visiting nurse is here, so I've got to take a break. Come on in. I'm in my studio.
Okay.
My nurse is here, but she's just filling out some stuff on her handheld laptop or whatever you call it, computer. And I'm just going to continue working while she's finishing up. So if you hear her in the background asking me a question, don't think anything of it. Okay. I'll put a picture up of the shirt I'm doing, and you'll understand a little bit better what I'm doing or trying to do. Now this part of the mountain man is going to be facing the horse, so a lot of this ain't going to be seen, but you still got to sculpt it. And that's the reason you do it away from the horse, is so you can get it to look good all the way around. Okay, I ran that clay through the pasta machine so that I can get the opening of the shirt to work. Well, that's going to have to do it for today. All right, that's going to do it for today. As you can see, you really can't see anything that I did today except for one side, which would be from this angle, and you can see it from underneath. But it's okay. That's part of sculpting. You have to make it look like it's real. And that's the only way you do it, is by taking it away and working on it separate. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.